This salad with chicken and balsamic kale is a stunning one. Being a seasonal recipe, it's the perfect lunch or dinner. When you are feeling like making a garden-fresh home-style salad, let's make it. Ingredient for your salad with chicken: kale, medium bunch, cherry tomatoes, about 12, 250 grams minced chicken, Belmorso extra virgin olive oil or Novello, a small handful of pinole, parmesan block, silver balsamic vinegar of Modena IGP, salt, pepper, and oregano. Preparation: wash and chop your kale, or do like I did. I chopped my kale first, then placed it in a colander and washed it. Transfer to a bowl. Season with salt and pepper. Then add a generous drizzle of the balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. Massage your kale with your clean hands for a few minutes and set aside. Wash and cut the cherry tomatoes in half. Add them to a medium-large pan. Drizzle some Belmorso extra virgin olive oil. Put your minced chicken in a bowl. Season with salt and pepper and mix with a fork. Add the chicken minced to the pan with the cherry tomatoes. Add some more oregano and 3 small garlic cloves. Leave to cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. Make sure you mix it with a spatula from time to time. Serve the kale salad in a plate. Top with the chicken and cherry tomatoes. Finish your salad with chicken and kale by scattering the pinole and adding a few shavings of parmesan. Buon appetito!